All right, ladies and gentlemen, you can see that Alien Allen is in effect in the lower geothermal greenhouse. If you guys don't know where that is, that's away from the other geothermal greenhouse that we're building attached to the barn. That's Gremlin, and Gremlin wants this to be thrown. So Alan's putting some new soil in here. We've lined 90% of this. We've lined this whole front.
These are only two that's left.
Yeah, these two sides, this one, and now we're working on this. And the last video I uploaded, we really didn't go into detail on what is the Gopher proofing, and it's simple. It's hardware cloth, and you can get this at any hardware store and probably pay too much, but we get a 100-foot roll for $104, and it's 4 feet in diameter and comes in a roll. So if you're an expert and you figure out how to do it, you learn how to cut it and fold the corners real nice. You see how easy that is, cut and folded there? And then it's just stapled. You just use a regular construction staple gun. I think we have one we can show you there. It's a DeWalt. And then you're done. We're not stapling over here because there's some sheet metal here, which is good, but the soil, just press that down and hold it in. We've got this whole new bed from yesterday completely planted with snap peas, Alaska pea in the front, some type of a purple dragon mix that came from Baker Creek here. I put some zinnia, a whole bunch of stuff, and you'll see when that comes up. Our other bed is planted in sprouting. So you could see one of those brassicas coming up right there. Another one, this is the purple peacock broccoli right there. And the lettuces coming up right here. We just planted those a few days ago. So in full effect. Are you stoked, Alan?
I am stoked.
Yeah, we're going to have food in here banging soon. Just planted out this whole front section in spinach and two different types of radishes. We've got radishes over there. Yeah, let me show you this collection. In fact, I know exactly what I put in there. Look at that. Easter basket mix. That looks fantastic. Look at that variety.
Wonderful. Oh, good.
So, Easter's coming. Nobody's bumming, especially when you have this much fresh parsley. Right there. So, that's our gopher proofing. Now, you can use this on your raised beds outside. You can use it inside here in our greenhouse because gophers have gotten in here. And what we also do is we make smaller versions of this to cage all of our perennial shrubs and trees. We actually make a cage the size of the ball, install it in the ground flush, and that seems to be protecting all of our trees and fruiting bushes from getting eaten by the pocket gopher. So that's the tour. That's what we're up to. And we're just snacking on the way here. Sometimes parsley is a little pungent, but this right now in the spring, oh my God, that's good. Say bye.
See ya.